Okay, teams, check your toes behind the white line because they're going to start in 3, 2, 1, rush.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. Match 89, Riverside. They grab one can in their favor during autonomous for the Red Alliance. Back over on blue, it looks like we're going to have Mars for the Blue Alliance. They're going for those 3 yellow totes. Their autonomous is adjusting for them. Let's see if they'll pull it off, and it looks like they won't be able to as we head into teleop, so no points yet for either of our teams. Riverside Red now trying to regain control of that container and make sure it is safely on their side of the field. Now both of the other teams for that Red Alliance are working on getting some items from their human players. Right away it looks like we have Kleinbots with a container and piece of litter rising their arm on up. Their final alliance partner, Cobalt Catalyst, they're working on a sack with help from their human player on the driver's station side of the field. Back over on the blue side of the field, Secret City, they're lined up getting some totes alongside their alliance partner.
Double score during the time.
Cougar Tech in the center of the field working on those yellow Qualification totes.
Period. Up next.
They're working on getting that last one. It doesn't look like those Qualification totes are yet on the field for the Red Alliance. Over on blue, Cougar Tech, they do now have 3 of those yellow totes. It looks like Riverside, they're going to enter 1 thanks to their human player. And Riverside starts making their way toward that step in the center of the field. At the same time, Cougar Tech doing so for blue, but also on blue, we have Mars. They're going to drop off 42 points for that Blue Alliance. Cougar Tech loses control of that yellow sack, having a bit of trouble. Looks like Riverside has already made it. Meanwhile, over on the blue side, Secret City, they drop another 42 points. Big scores for our Blue Alliance. Cougar Tech still having a little bit of trouble. Both members of the Blue Alliance lined up at their stations getting even more sacks. They've made a ton of points for so far. They've already got 84 on the board and just under 30 seconds remaining. Cougar Tech still struggling for that Qualification stack in the center of the field. Not much time remaining here for our teams in match number 89. Riverside for Red, they're working on 4 more totes. There's already lots of totes lined up for that Red Alliance, but not many containers on top. It looks like we're going to have Kleinbots change that, placing 1 on top of a stack that's already existing. Their final alliance partner with some more totes at the final seconds. We're down to our final seconds of our match. We're at 3, 2,